Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to issue a refund on Gumroad. So actually guys, first we'll need to go with gumroad.com website, log in to your account and then click on the dashboard option or button that's located at the top right corner of the page. So now you will need to make sure that you are using the account that sold the product first. And then you will need to find the sale. So just locate the buyer you want to refund. So you can search by the buyer's email, transaction ID, and product name. So to issue the refund, you will need to click on the sale option, okay, at the left-hand menu to open its details. Okay, so here you will find a list of your sales, so just go ahead and click on that specific sale and look for the refund button usually near the payment info. So just confirm the refund, like Gumroad refunds the full amount to the buyer. You can also add a note to explain the refund if you want. So refunds on Gumroad include the original transaction fees for you, so plan accordingly, okay? And the Gumroad automatically emails the buyer about the refund, so you can send a personal note to explain the reason for faster resolution and better customer experience. So as I told you, the refunds show up in your sales dashboard and your financial reports, so you can keep track of issued refunds. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.